for failure to appear to court.
On December 7th, 2024, a police officer in the town of Shelby was about to face the biggest test of his life. Sergeant Kocher and Officer Dominic Ewing entered a local restaurant to arrest 31-year-old Tyler Jacobs. Jacobs had previously crashed into a police car. He was found with a large amount of cash, multiple cell phones, SIM cards, a laptop, a face mask, gloves, and a knife. Allegedly, he had failed to appear in court, which led to a warrant being issued for his arrest. But when the officers entered the restaurant, they had no idea what kind of psychopath they were dealing with.
Clear. Hey, Tyler? Is Tyler back there? Can you grab him for me real quick? Can you just grab him for me real quick, man? Go run back. Go run back. I got him up here. How's it going, man?
Pretty good.
You know I'm here?
No.
You know you got a warrant for your arrest, Tyler?
Jacob's voice was calm, but his body language showed extreme stress. His entire body was pumping with adrenaline.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good.
You know I'm here?
No.
You know you got a warrant for your arrest, Tyler?
For what?
For failure to appear to court.
As the officers made contact and informed him about the arrest warrant, Jacob suddenly reached into his pocket. Less than a second later, he drove his knife straight into Sergeant Kocher's neck. Everything happened within seconds. Despite the brutal attack, the experienced Sergeant Kocher reacted instantly. He ran back to create distance, but he was bleeding heavily. Still, he managed to pull out his weapon. As he turned around, he saw Jacobs charging at him again, ready to finish the job. He pulled the trigger.
For what?
For failure to appear to court. 500 shots fired! Shots fired! Sorry, I'm outside bleeding! Fuck! He got me in the neck!
Officer Ewing, who was securing the back entrance of the restaurant, heard the gunshots and rushed inside. He immediately ran to the blood-soaked Sergeant Kocher to assist him. At the same time, he also provided medical aid to Jacobs. Both Kocher and Jacobs were transported to the hospital. Kocher survived, but Jacobs succumbed to his injuries. Did the officers make a mistake? Share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care.